Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change language in Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to change your language in Sweatcoin, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you open the app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon, which is located on the left hand side of the corner, and then you need to tap on the settings option. Once you're here, you can see that there is no language settings that you can use to change it. So simply come back to your home screen and simply tap open your settings option and type in language in the search bar. So once you type in languages, you can go in the general management and simply tap on languages and tap on language once again. Then simply hit on add language option, and once you tap on add language, you can simply change your language to any language you prefer, and once you do so, the language of the Sweatcoin app will also be automatically converted to that language. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.